cold.
You're cold? Where's your jacket? Where's your jacket?
Can you get me a jacket for me?
Come on, let's go. We just have to turn this up.
We don't rush. We do move.
Squash.
Her little eyes and her horns.
That's right. So beautiful, aren't they?
Yeah.
Look at that little cucumber. It's all puffy, but it's going to grow eventually.
Yeah.
So beautiful.
My baby egg.
You see her?
Yeah, I do.
Is that a girl or boy?
A girl. I'm gonna take a
That's your rescue rider dragon, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm trying to get a video of cucumbers. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another one, 5.
Only little one.
Wow, look, Mila, it's an eggplant.
I see. My baby likes eggplant.
Yeah.
The most is her favorite. The most is her favorite. He likes you. My baby likes you, Mommy. Mommy,
Really?
my baby likes you.
Hi, baby. I like you too. Can I walk?
Yeah, it's like
Walk. Oh, yeah. It's either walking or flying, right?
Is your wings orange?
Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Wings are orange. Look. Look at how small wings.
Oh my goodness, so beautiful.
Maybe he likes the surfing on the camera. It's really great. Mm. What goes?
Here.
Do you got some red tomatoes?
I do. I actually do.
I like tomatoes.
Can you pick this one? Here. This one.
This one?
Beautiful. Can you keep it in your pocket? You got pockets now, yes? Beautiful.
Where are we gonna put them?
In our bellies. Hello. Once we have strawberries, we're going to eat them. It's time for harvest. The animals start eating our.
Now it's gonna be so sad. No one is going to eat beets for now. Animals eat beets. Ugly beets. Sour. I like them. My pocket. She's in my pocket.
Wonderful.
Yeah, my baby's in my pocket. So any animals don't eat her. Once when you get them. Yeah.
I love it. Okay. Where's your blueberry? Show it. Where is it? No blueberries, they're all gone. Because the season has passed and they already gave us blueberries, and that's the tree. The tree's going to wait till next year now to give us more blueberries. One has eaten